guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for watching. So today is just pretty much just a vlog, just vlogging my Saturday. I usually don't do this stuff, but I had a good video coming out for y'all, and YouTube decided to take it down. Yep, welcome to the vlog. Today we are going to be cutting trees, hopefully catching some minnows to feed to my fish, and yep, riding the old lawnmower around. So should have a good time, and a little bit different video. I usually don't do vlogs, but yeah, hope y'all like it, and thank y'all for watching. I knew that happened. Good. Alright, we're gonna see if she cold starts. She's been sitting here for about 2 weeks. So, let's see how it does. I think it'll fire right up. Choke. Fired right up. So earlier in the intro, I said we're gonna be hopefully catching some minnows to feed to my fish. So I kind of have some pet fish, but kind of not. Like, you know, I didn't go to PetSmart and buy some pet fish. We drained, there's a big pond, you know, back down there at the barn. We drained that about, maybe not a year ago. This summer it'll be a year. So before we drained it, I caught as many fish as I could out of it and put them in this little pond over here, very pretty little pond. Yep, there is 4 bass in this, and I think there was 3 brim, but I think there's only 2 brim at this point. So I know y'all can't see them right now. Matter of fact, I can't see them. They like to hide up under these leaves. But yeah, you know, during the summertime I go around to catch lizards and feed to them, but there's no lizards right now because it ain't summertime. So I'm gonna go catch. There's also another pond. Well, y'all never seen it, but there's another pond in this property too. So I go down there, catch some minnows, release in this pond. All right, so we got the bait right here. Let's go catch some minnows. All right, throw her in. There we go. All right, so we'll leave it in there for about an hour. Come back, see what we got. It's usually what I do when we're here. You know, we get here in the morning, come set the minnow trap, you know, about every hour, 30 minutes, come and check it. Last time I got about 20 minnows throughout the day. So yeah, maybe we'll get some today. Maybe I'll get this gas cap right. It's a little finicky. Sometimes it'll latch good and sometimes it won't. You're sitting there cutting wood and you look and gas is running all down your leg. You know, you can tell I've had, you know, a little bit of experience with that. It's not fun. Let's see if I spill any bar oil. No, I didn't. objective is to clear out this little island of trees today. So we've already cut about 2. So my pawpaw's on the backhoe digging up the leftover stumps. My dad is in the skid steer. It's gonna drag them out onto the brush pile. But yeah, we're gonna hopefully get all these trees down today. There she goes. Terrible knot, but see how it does. Alright, so we're back. Been about an hour. I'm gonna see if we got anything in the minnow trap. I'd say we do, but oh, see, I can see it. Yeah, I at least see one in there. See, we'll pull it out. Oh, there's a bunch. I got polarized sunglasses. I don't know if y'all can see, but there's a bunch of little minnows around it. Let's see what we got in there. Alright, we're gonna see what we got in there. Okay, I got 2. I expected to do better than that. There's my fish. They're deciding to make an appearance. Yeah, they like to hide up under them leaves. But I'm gonna release these 3 shiners in there now. Okay. Y'all, look at that. Look at that holding wood. There's a pretty good bit left. Alright, so I think we're going to end the video here. Before we do end it, though, we're going to check the Mini-Trap again. See what we got. Yep, been a full day. About 3:30, something like that. So, day's definitely not over, but I don't know. I filmed about all that would be interesting, in my opinion. You know, I just kind of the same thing. Checking Mini-Trap, cutting wood. But, so we are going to keep working. But, yeah, this is going to be the end of the filming today. Alright, so I don't have my GoPro, and I forgot the part to my tripod, so we filming this all off my hand, so don't mind my bad camera work. Oh yeah, we definitely got some. Oh yeah, we got a lot actually. Oh yeah. Look at all that. Good. That's gotta be a 10 or something. That's real good. Look at that koi fish. That's a big old boy there. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video today. I really do appreciate it. I don't think I really explained what we've been doing, but basically this is my great-grandpa's place, my dad's grandpa's place up here. My grandparents also live up here as well. But anyway, my great-grandpa had a farm, not really like a big farm, like 1,000 acres, fields and combines, like not that kind of farm, He raised cattle, had a garden, tractors, bush hog fields and stuff like that. Just kind of that farm. But anyway, let's just say he didn't like to throw things away. He kept everything, like hay bale strings. Oh, there were so many hay bale strings. Anyway, we've been working on. He passed away spring of last year, so we've been working on cleaning it up because my dad grew up around this place. Had good memories of it and stuff like that. So we didn't want to see it all go to waste. So we've been cleaning it up, throwing away the stuff that is not needed, like hay bale strings, and, keeping the stuff that is pretty good. So, yeah, just put down there in the comments if you really like the vlog today. I can definitely make more of them. But, yep, that is the end for today. Yep, go down there, smash that like button. While you're down there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Won't cost you nothing, and it would really help me out. Would really appreciate that. And if you do hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications while you're at it so you can get notified when I upload a video. But, yep, thank y'all for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.